Hello, so I just started to record a video but I didn't press record. Well done. Well done for that. So a few days back it was my birthday and I got some Pandora charms and I also got a new Pandora charm bracelet, and I said that I was going to come back on once I'd done the bracelets how I wanted them to be done. So that's what I'm on here for. So this bracelet I got from my friend, and they're all my charms that I put on. Some have been bought for me, some haven't. So anyway, that's what it looks like. It's just beautiful. That clasp, I've never seen a clasp like it. Normally Pandora clasps are just like, I'll show you in the next video, but yeah, they're not like that, are they, normally? Anyway, I'll show you the charms that are on this, or show them to the best that I can. So this one is a celestial moon as well. This one is my family, my universe. That one's got a little star down there. But the ones that I don't say, oh, that was bought for me, I've bought over the years myself. This one has got hearts all over it and it says Pandora. Right, this one coming up is off my sister. She got it me recently for my birthday. So I thought that would go really, really nice with the bracelet, which I think it does. And then this one here, I bought it. So it isn't a Pandora charm, it came from H.M. Samuel. I think that's the name of the jewellers. So it's shooting stars, and on the back it says reach for the stars. Then we've got a star spacer from Pandora. I know you're not really getting to see them an awful lot. Then we've got this Cinderella charm that my sister bought me for my birthday, and it says a dream is a wish your heart makes. So cute. Then we've got this star stopper, which I also bought. The amount of money I've spent on Pandora over the years must be insane. Then this one here isn't a Pandora one either. It's a Warren James, the jewellers one. My mum bought me this one for my birthday. It's the bow charm. I bought this one. This is a little snowflake. I bought it years ago. Then I've got this dad. I don't know if you can get them now, dad charms in Pandora, but you couldn't back then when I got this one. I got it from Portugal when I was in Portugal. I saw it in the jewellers. Then there's this one. What does this one say? Loving Aunt. My sister bought it me years ago. Then we've got this shellfish. I just love being by the beach, so I wanted to get that. This one's quite a religious one. I used to have it right by my dad here, because he passed away when I was 7 years old. So I used to put them together like that, but for some reason it's further down the bracelet. Then I've got a really nice little flamingo. So I bought this way before I met my friend who absolutely adores flamingos. But yeah, I put it on the bracelet. It used to be on my pink bracelet, which you guys won't have seen because I've not worn it. But anyway, I took it off here and put it on this. And then on here, the last section, we've got an infinity charm, space or whatever you want to call it. We've got this, I think it says I love reading, because I used to love reading. I don't read anymore. I think you open it up and it also says something else. Right, it does say something, but I will never in a million years be able to read it. You can see there, and on the other side it does say something. So we won't worry too much about what it says. If anyone has that charm and they know what it says, please leave it in the comment. I've got these lovebirds here. My mum actually bought me this charm just because I love birds, I love nature, anything like that. There is a robin charm by Pandora. I'd love to get that. You can get it engraved. So that's that. And then, oh, I haven't shown you the dog. I got this one. This was on another charm bracelet as well. It was on my pink charm bracelet that I've got. And then we've got a panda bear. So I do have some animal charms as well. And like I said, it's pretty much all full, apart from this section here. So what I want to do is I want to get a safety chain, and I also want to get another clip, just because I'm running out of clips because I've got a new bracelet, and each bracelet takes 2 clips up, doesn't it? So I've had to borrow some clips off another bracelet just so I can wear this one. So this is it for this video. I just wanted to show you all the charms and what the bracelet looks like. I think it's going to look amazing. I'm hoping it's not gonna slide all over the place. I will be trying it on, but I'm gonna be going in the shower soon, so I'll do it after that. Maybe I will leave the video here. I'll come back on and show you what it looks like on the wrist. But that's the bracelet, guys. I just think it's so nice. I should have got a 19cm rather than a 20 though. That's my bad. It's not on my friend. She asked me what size I was. So that's that one, and I'll come back in a minute and do the second Pandora bracelet that I've made to how I want it. So I'm back. So I actually look better now that I've washed and styled my hair. So let's get into the bracelet. I wanted to show you what the bracelet looked like, so let me get that for you. So again, this is what my new Pandora bracelet looks like. I'm really hoping this isn't going to slide all over the place like I've already said. Right, some of the charms are on the wrong way, so let me just go and sort that out and then I'll come back. Done. Let's give it another go. Right, so I'm going to do it with this little charm here. That's not a charm, it's an attachment for the bracelet. I believe you can get a charm like that, so I might get a charm like for this space here. And then you've got all my charms going all the way around. I mean, it is very loose, but would it come off? Probably not. Probably not, if I've got a few more charms on there. So that's the intention, to buy a few more kind of celestial stars and moon charms, because look at all this that I've got to fill here. And I could just put some of my older charms on there, but I don't really want to do that. I just want to leave it as is. What's wrong with this one? I'll leave it as is. I'm going to put another Pandora bracelet in front. Look out for that in the next video.